Hello. If you have BMW 3rd series F30, F31, F32 or like this F34 and you have some trouble with your suspension, in this case it is rear shock absorbers, then this video is for you. So this car arrived about a few weeks ago for the regular oil change and regular inspection, and I discovered that there is some trouble with the rear shock absorber. It's leaking, so I will quickly change it. I already ordered parts, they arrived, and today I will just exchange them. You will see it's pretty easy and pretty fast job. Let's go. See the difference. So this one is dry, it's okay. And let's take a look on the second side. And you see this one is in oil, it's dirty. Of course, when I was dismantling, I again saw that there is not cleaned hub and the wheel nuts were over tightened. It was really hard to unscrew them. On the second side, the same picture, not cleaned. So I will fix this issue also. So, and this is easy job because I need to just remove this plastic guard. It's on 4 small nuts. Then I need to unscrew this bolt. It's holding the lower part of the shock absorber. And then here inside there's 3 small bolts. It's also easy to remove them, and basically that's all. The shock absorber is removed. Now the both shocks are off. It took, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. This one is good enough. As you saw, it's dry, it's okay. This one is empty, so I will show you the difference. This one I need to use some force to press it in. This one is just jumping without any force. When I was removing them, I already saw that the dust guards and the additional shock absorbers are in a very good condition. And when I took off, I saw that they are from one cheap manufacturer, but okay, it doesn't matter is it cheap or expensive. The main important thing is that it's Max Gear. The main important thing is that they are changed. Sometimes when people who don't know how to change and fix suspension, they are making great mistakes, and these mistakes lead to damage of the shock absorber. Actually, shock absorber can be damaged very quickly, and if you want to know more about correct mounting, usual mistakes, and even how this shock absorber is built and what happened inside and what happens when it's incorrect mounting, write comments, and later maybe I will make another video for you where I will tell you about common mistakes, correct installing, and what can cause these mistakes people sometimes are making. At this moment, I also think that incorrect mounting led to damage of the shock absorber. It's possible that the shock absorber can drive for a long time without any problems because they are running well for about 300,000 kilometers. But okay, let's throw them out. Let's take a look. What do we have here? There is additional shock absorber or damper with dust guard. There is 2 mounting kits. No, there is 2 upper mounts. There is 2 mounting kits, and there is 2 shock absorbers. Okay. The shock absorbers are made in Poland. It's made in 2024, and there is again no any marking who is manufacturer of these shock absorbers. In these mounting kits there will be included anything I need for mounting, even these small nuts for lower plastics I showed you, the lower mounting screw and nut, gasket, and upper cup. So, and top mounts, let's see who is manufacturing them. Maybe there will be something written. Nope, there is written only BMW, and that's all. No any marks no like Zax or Lemforder or Kayaba or something like that, only BMW, and that's all. Okay, I have everything I need. It's going there, it's going there. It's very easy to assemble them. Just put on the dust guard with the damper, upper mount, a new nut, and that's all. Tighten down and everything's fine. It's ready for mounting. So at this point, shocks are in place. Everything looks nice. Now, before installation of the wheel, I need to clean this hub. For this job, I have a special tool. The hub is clean and wheel is ready for installation. I need to add grease here on the center of the hub, and it will make easy next time to take off the wheel. As example, after winter. And the last and very important thing to do is to tighten down these wheel bolts with the pneumatic key. In this case, they should be tightened with 140 Newton meters. It is M14 thread, and it will help later to take off the wheel when you will change them or whatever you will do with it, do some maintenance or brake job or everything else. And like in this case, some of the wheel bolts were over tightened. It was really hard to remove them, so to prevent this problem, it's necessary to use the numerical key. Let's set 140. And that's all. Everything's done, so it's good to go. Thank you. Bye.